Hey guys, welcome to my house. Happy Thursday. Today we're going to play with some numbers. Who out there likes numbers? Who likes math? I do too, and I know a lot of you do in my class, and I'm so sad that we can't do this in the classroom, but this will be the next best thing. We are starting a new type of math today. It's called number bonds. Can you say that with me? Number bonds. Good job. It's kind of tricky, but it can be a lot of fun. So what I would first like to do is show you just a little bit of a Jack Hartman video on number bonds, and I have it on your email, so don't worry about the link. And then after we're done watching a little bit of his video, we're gonna do some practice ones together. So his video only goes to 5. Today our die goes up to 6. But if you're strong enough and you feel like you want to go higher, you can try and do number bonds to 10, okay? So you got your thinking caps on because we're going to need those today. We're really going to have to think about our numbers. And you got your listening ears on. Click them once because we got to make sure we're listening to Jack Hartman. Are you ready to go? I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Watch our video.
Number bonds that make 5. I know my number bonds, they help my math stay strong. 2 parts make a whole, let's move and sing along. Right arm up for the one part, left arm up for the other part, both arms up for the whole.
Okay guys, that was just a little quick part of what we're talking about today. Go ahead to the link and you can watch the rest of it. Like I said, he also has a video, number bonds to 10. What we're doing today is we're going to use one die, and the highest we can roll is a 6. So it can be fun. It might be a little confusing at first, but hang in there. Number bonds are really easy once you get the hang of it. So I'm using a die today. I'm using a whiteboard, and some of y'all's favorites out there, not mine, but some of y'all's favorites, I have gummy bears. See, if we were in the classroom, you would get your own little bag of gummy bears to play with these today. So if you don't have gummy bears, it's okay. You can use counter chips. Remember, you can use pretzels, M&Ms, whatever you have that you want to use, okay? So Jack Hartman, he talked about whole and parts, okay? Now, the whole means the number that we need to get to. What is that highest number that we need to get to? So for example, I'm going to take my die and I'm going to roll it. And I rolled it on what? What number is that? Remember, we don't count them, we subitize. This is a 5. Good. So I am going to make the number 5. That is my whole. Now, I'm going to put this down in front of me because I have to be able to lay the gummy bears on. So follow me down here. Now, I need 5 gummy bears. Count them with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, keep counting, 4, 5. Now, these little circles down here are the parts. These are different ways that we can make the number 5. So, what if I took a small handful here and put them in here, took the rest of them and put them over here? Now, let's see what kind of parts we have. Can you count them out with me? We're going to start over here on the left-hand side. Can you count how many gummy bears we have? How many? 1, 2. Good job. So 2 goes down there. Now let's come over on the right side of our parts and let's see how many gummy bears we have. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. So 3 go over here. Now guess what we do with those parts? We take those parts and Gus the Plus is going to come along. Now what is Gus the Plus going to do? Do you remember? Is he going to add or is he going to subtract? Think about it. That's right. I heard you out there. He's going to add. So really this says 2, put your plus sign in there, 3 equals. Now, how much does 2 plus 3 equal? Are you ready? Let's figure it out. We've got 2 over here and 3 over here, and we're going to add them together. How many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that how many we started with up at the top for the whole number? We did. So you guys did a great job. So one way to make 5 is what? 2 plus 3. Good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good job. Now, do you think that's the only way we can make 5? Let me hear you. Is that the only way we can make 5? Say no. No, that's not the only way we can make 5. So I'm going to erase these down here real quick. We're going to stick with the number 5. And I'm going to take our gummy bears and we're going to put them up over here. Now, I'm going to do something tricky. Are you ready? Remember, you got your thinking caps on. Okay? I'm going to take my gummy bears and I'm going to put them all in this circle. And you're probably going, but Miss Pontious, there's none in the other circle. Okay, are you ready? Stay with me. How many gummy bears are over here on the left side? Are you ready? I want you to count and I want to hear you, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. So 5's going to go down here. Tricky question. How many gummy bears are over here in this part? 0. Good job. All right, here we go. Let's read our math problem. 5 plus 0 equals blank. All right, ready? Let's use our fingers. We have 5 over here, none over here. So we put them together. How many do we have? That's right, we still have 5. Excellent job. So, started with 5. 5 plus 0 also equals 5. That is another way of making 5. Good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. All right, we got one more. Stick with me, okay? You guys are doing great out there. So proud of you. All right, I'm going to take my little gummy bears and I'm going to put them up here and I'm going to make a change. Are you ready? Make sure you're paying attention, okay? All right, here we go. I'm going to put one in here and I got to make sure I take the rest over here. Always make sure there's none up there because if you leave some up there, then you're not doing the problem right, okay? All right, here we go. Are you ready? How many's over in this part? 1. Good job. All right, let's count our gummy bears over here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So I'm going to go down and make a 4. Now, are you ready to read our math problem? 1 plus 4 equals blank. All right, well, here we go. 1 over here, and we're going to add 4 more. And Gus, that plus is coming along. Remember, he's going to add them together. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So guess what, guys? You learned another way to make 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So what do you think about number bonds? Think it's a little tricky? It is. But you know what? Most of you in my class absolutely love math. I know you're going to love playing with this. So when you find something that you want to use as your manipulatives, send me a quick video on how you're doing, okay? Would love to hear from you. But for now, it's a great big air hug and a hug from me to you. See you guys.